If you like the page that I'm about to show you right now, then stick until the end of this video because I'm revealing the step-by-step guide to like how you can build a page for free. This is the page. It does not include this, right? This was captured by my screenshotting tool, but this is how it looks like. It looks really damn good, bro. I'd say it looks pretty good, but that's up for you to decide. If you like this page, then stick until the end and I'll show you how to build one. And if you're a copywriter, agency owner, or marketer, or anyone who needs a page, a sales funnel, but doesn't know how to implement one or build one, then stick until the end of this video because I'll show you not only how to build a sales page, opt-in, squeeze page, or any type of page, but anything that you really want. And it's time to change that. It's time to change that and actually get you to know how to build one. And my clients have already asked me if I can implement the copy for them. And if you don't, you're leaving so much on the table. And even if you do, if you don't know how to do it the right way, your design will not look good, because if a page looks bad, then the perceived likelihood of achievement is lower and the perceived value is lower, because you probably trust someone who has nice things. So in this video I'll show you the fastest, easiest and free way to build any type of funnel, plus I'm giving you the free secret softwares that I use to build funnels. And then I'm showing you how to build a funnel live using everything that you're going to learn in this video. But before I show you exactly how I build a squeeze page funnel that I just showed you, right, this one, I need to show you the platforms that I use. There are 2 to 3 platforms that you want to use when building a funnel, sales funnel, opt-in, whatever you want. It could be a landing page, right? You want to have a funnel builder, right? Like more like a landing page, right? Landing page builder, right? You want to have a photo editing tool like Photoshop, but I have one for free and the funnel builder is free. And you want to have a color picker tool, not picker, picket. What a color picker tool. That's optional, but that saves you a lot of time. And before I give you every secret, like before I even give you the free sales funnel, right? Let me show you the #1 Photoshop tool that's replacing Adobe Photoshop for free. And that tool is called GIMP. GIMP is, trust me, 85 to 95% of Photoshop for free. At least for the features that you're going to use. Because you're probably not going to use every feature in the Adobe Photoshop. So it is 85 to 95% of what you're going to use there. And GIMP is so free that even if you want to upgrade, you can't. They don't even have a paid plan, and they've been in the industry for like 14 years or so. So they know what they're doing. But now, going back to the juicy part, here's the best free tool for building funnels. And that tool is so good that it's even entirely free. They have paid plans, but it's entirely free and it offers so much more. The tool is called System.io. Now, I'm telling you, bro, this software is so juicy. I'll just show you in a minute, bro. Like, let me show you the different types of pages before anything. Before I show you how to build a page, let me show you what pages you can build as a copywriter, but maybe you're an agency owner, maybe you're a marketer, or whatever. And then I'll show you the color picker tool later in this video, because that's going to change and save a lot of your time. You can build squeeze pages, which are pretty much like giving a lead magnet for free. Sales pages, which is selling something. Maybe you have a story. It's a bigger page, it's a longer one. Thank you page is what follows after each page usually. Landing page is like an agency owner would use this, right? It would showcase statistics, testimonials, what we do, us versus them, so things like that. Webinar pages is just like a squeeze page, but has the goal to sign them up for a page, for a webinar. And after the webinar, the thank you page is showing them instructions and things like that. And you can do so much more. But these are some of the pages, right? Now I hope that I got it clear. I'll show you live how to build a squeeze page just like PM, Persuasion Masters, inside System.io. So let's get right into it, okay? So the page we're gonna build looks like this, right? It has a pop-up. I wanted to like launch this community for us copywriters, but I didn't. So I'm gonna show you how to build one instead, because I will at some point, probably, but I'm gonna have to change so many things. So it has this blurry thing here above, it looks good. The text is, as you can see, is like this, but not like this, because if it's like this, your head has to do like this to read it, and it's annoying. It's not nice, it's not pleasant. You have some of this, you have a glowing button, right? And yeah, that's it. You have this, right? Another sections, and boom. So let me show you how to do it. The color picker tool, by the way, is called eyedropper tool. It's so great. I'll show you in just a second. But I want to have my, so first, what you want to do is go on SystemIO and hit create. And let's say build, you want to hit custom, right? And let's give it the name test, right? You want to give it the name test. Boom. Let's go on test. And you have to pick like a template, right? So you add a step name, I don't know, just so it's a squeeze page. We're gonna pick a template because you can't do it from scratch, unfortunately, but it doesn't matter. Let's pick this one, and we're gonna delete everything anyway, so that's not a problem. It wants you to select a template, but this template doesn't look bad, but like using templates, guys, like it's bad. You have to know how to build your own. And one thing that I'll show you more, right? So, right, I also got this. I'm more of that in just a sec, right? I'm gonna show you the editor and things like that. Okay, great. So the font to this is this one, and Oswald, what the frick? The font size is 65 and the line height. Okay, so what you want to do, right, is add a section, and let me illustrate that for you. So imagine like this right here is the section, right? This will make sense in just a second. Let's paint it this, right? This is the section, right? Inside the section, you want to have a row. Now a row could be like this, it could be like this, depends on what you put inside this row, right? Let's say the row is like this, right? In this row, let's make it I don't know, yellow, right? Boom, put it in the middle. Inside this row, you might have a picture, you might have some like text, you know. Let's make this red, right? So you have this, right? A section, a row, and things like content, right? As you can see here, I have a section, then here it has a row, and inside this row it has text, it has an image, it has a button, another text, it has another row, which inside it has an horizontal line. So as you can see, there are quite a few things that goes into building this, and I'll show you how to build the background as well using GIMP. Okay, now what you want to do, right, is add a section, as I told you, right? Inside this section, you want to add text because it automatically adds that for you, right? Now here's the thing. You go on section, right, and you see this, you have where is it? You want to have it medium, right? Content width, you want to have it at medium. This is gonna keep things nice. Okay, I think it's web fonts. No, it's on Google Fonts then. Oswald, great. What type of? So I'm trying to like make the same thing, right? Bold 700. Okay, bold 700. This was 70. I remember that. Okay, and this was 35, right? Oh, 65, 70. Okay, so 65, 70. What? No. 70. I don't know why this doesn't work. Okay. We're gonna call it Persuasion Masters, right? And here's why you use this, right? You go in here, you remove all of this, and you have your colors that you saved up, right? And now you go here, you put in the color, and boom, this starts to look like this. Now again, you want to have this, right? This was an Oswald again, 1626. So add in a text right here. Again, Oswald medium, it was 16 and 26, and I'm gonna copy everything of that. Okay, we're gonna make it white later, and you wanna like duplicate this and have it below here, and this is a bold one, it's 6023. So you want to have a bold one, and let's copy everything. Great. Now this starts to look great. You want to use this because again, guys, like what I'm showing you here is so easy to do, and it doesn't even take that much time, right? And you add an image, right? You add in an image right here, right? So I already have an image, but I'll show you how you can create your own image, right? Oops, what the freak did I do? I didn't want to have this image. Wait, this one, right? Boom. Now you want to have it at max, right, at max size, and probably give it so what did I do here? So I want to have like the same things for you guys, so you can probably, I did it here then, bottom 40, yeah. Okay. So this is padding. It kind of creates space like margin, but it's a bit different. I'll show you that in just a second, but yeah, 40, right? And now you want to add your button. Now here's a trick for the button. It won't glow. I used AI to make it glow. No, wait. This is bad. So I already have created my own button, right? But I'm gonna show you how you can create your own button. And all right, so this button is, I won't like try to recreate it. I'll just show you quickly the settings that come with this button because it would take so much time. So quickly change the settings to this, right? If you want to have the same button like me, these are all the settings, right? Perfect. Now here's the thing, if I click on this, wait, I can't. Okay. The problem right now with this button, and I'll show you, I have a pop-up, right? So go to pop-up, add a pop-up, and have that, right? Don't change it for now, I'll leave it like that. But my point is that, let me remove that, great. And what we had was an horizontal line. Wait, horizontal line. Oh yeah, okay, here. It was here, great. And we want to duplicate that. And inside here, what we're gonna have is a text. And this text, I'm gonna copy everything, but this text is an inter because I changed the text so many times. Like I like inter, just so you know. I hope inter is here. Yes, inter, bold, not the craziest one. Okay, and size was 1226. 1226. 26, great. The color, again, it's already, oh, okay. That's how you want to use eyedropper. Like, this is such a cheat code. I'm telling you right now, this is such a cheat code. it allows you to move so fast. And these lines, again, using this. So you see how this saves you so much time. You would have to go and switch pages just to access that. You wanna go here, color, and do that. Oops, not a background color. Solid, and no, wait, that's not it. Is it? Okay, I clicked on the wrong thing. Great. And great. Now you can have this color there, you know, like that. I don't know how you do it, but okay, there you go. You create that and then click here and you assign the color. But I'm just showing you, like, until you do that, persuasion masters. Great. I'll make this white now, right? Because I made it white. Great. And now let's change the background to this and show you how I made the background. But first, let me change the background, right? My image is this. Boom. Now you see, it looks like that. It honestly looks so great. And if I click here on the preview mode, boom, it has this pop-up that cannot be closed. So unfortunately I will change that, but you see the page looks identical. A bit that this text, like this one, is a bit different, and yeah, that's the one beneath. But yeah, bro, like it's pretty much it. So you see the button is not glowing. That's another thing you can see. And by the way, let me edit this because this is quite some mess. So hit edit. So open pop-up, no, off. Great. Now, as you can see here, the button is not glowing. So the way I did it, I'm gonna give you the code as well in the description. But the way I did was to go on settings right here in the top, go to edit header code, footer code, sorry. Okay. And this is the button, right? These are the buttons. So if I were to use this, copy, right? And I were to go here, settings, edit footer code, I'll paste that in here. Now we don't have these buttons, right? So what I want to do is like remove all of these buttons. Great. Save. Go to this button, go to the bottom, copy this, right? The ID, and now go to edit footer code, and when it says the ID, you want to change this and click save. Now when you preview, it should give you wait, it doesn't. I might have done something wrong. Was it also in the top? Oh, yeah, here you want to put ID. My bad. Oh, great, and delete all of these because I don't have these. So great. Now if I click this, it should glow. Wait, what did it? Oh, okay, it ends. So it starts with head, it ends with head. So it's this code. I know what this one is. I mean, I kind of think I know. Well, let me remove all of that. So actually, wait, let me paste it in here. Let me copy this button right here and let me paste it in here. Great, and now if I were to change this and remove all of this and click save, unfortunately, fortunately this will, no, I don't know why it doesn't work. It should work, But if you want, I'm gonna make another video on that one. Anyway, you can find this with AI, right? I'm gonna give you the code anyway, because I have it in ChatGPT. But yeah, this is how you do that section. And the way to do this section right here, this one with the text, right? What I did, it was put this section, put it to wide, add in a row, put 15 to 15 padding, 15 to right, 15 to left. And for the text itself, I put margin like 200 to both, like left and right. And yeah, that was pretty much it. So to give you some context on how would that look, go on section, right? Again, section has to be wide. This I had padding, right? So I had 15 to this and 15 here. Great. Now I had text in here. The text had margin 200 both left and right, and I had no padding apparently. So the text was inter, I believe. That's what I used. Oh no, it was Nonito Sans and 2635, right? So okay, let me go here. Nonito 2635, very close to what I use. And the color was I did have a color that's kind of like interesting. So it is this color, right here. Okay, if I change this color, right, to this, looks like that. So I won't change this, right? I just want to let you know, like, and for this it was like the same thing. 35 33 35 inter. This was inter black 900. It looks like this, padding, margin, sorry, and padding, no padding. And yeah, that's what it is. So the row has padding 15 to 15. And to give you some context, so the reason this has this space is because when you actually run the page, it looks different. So you want to see that for yourself. I'm gonna show you how to do that page. And by the way, if I click now this, right, you'll see that the colors that don't match that nice, because I used a different color here. So the color that I used was FFFAFA. And if I change this background color to this, it will now match this perfectly, right? Oh, now there's a space. Okay, so you just want to match that to you, bro. The way I did it was go here. I think I did it this way. Bottom, adding some. I think I removed the padding actually. Let me see how. Yeah, I removed the padding, and that's how it looks, right? Really nice page if you really take a look at it. Again, let me show you how I did this background. So it was really simple, right? I use GIMP, as I told you, like it's a crazy app. Well, let me open it. Until then, this section right here, it was the same stuff, right? I used some icons, some text. This is like a block from here. I think it's called a futures block, and it's this one, but edited better, because the basic one, if I show it to you, it looks ugly. Like, take a look at this and this. There's quite a big difference. So you want to change things to yourself, but I usually do things from scratch. And how I did this was essentially, right, I created another section, and if I were to do it on this one, I would go to this, and I don't know, if I want red, then one I did red, and I made the spacing very low, the padding very low. that's how I did it, but yeah, I don't want it here. And GIMP has opened, so you go to new, right? That's what I use. You want to use 9020 by 1080. Boom, you have this, right? Now you want to pick your background color, right? And pick a brush, pick the nicest one, and just want to like do this, right? Do these things, like make it big. I don't know, make it like this. Maybe add it in here, and boom. Now what you want to do is lower the opacity. Oops, oh my bad guys, I did something really wrong. So create a new layer. You do that here. Make sure it's transparency, right? And you want to use this. You want to make it here. Oops, maybe that's too big. Okay, maybe like one here, and maybe one half here. Okay, what I did was put it on 15, go to filters, blur, and Gaussian blur, and put it to like maybe a 9 or something like that, and split view. And yeah, you can see here, like if you do too much, on the left is the changes like after, right? And on the right is how it was before. So you don't want to make it crazy, like make it an 11 or something like that. And for the white thing, right, just pick your color. So I did FA, right? You pick the same brush, right? Pick a brush, make it small. I did like 70, something like, oh no, not the opacity though. Yeah, something like 70. Click right here, then remove, then hit shift and put it on here, and click control, right? And just hit, and depends on your force, right? If you use more force, it will obviously be like this, right? And if we use more hardness, and let's use big force, bro, what color is this though? Oh, you want to make a new pattern, a new one, sorry, and had okay, because it was, yeah, so you want to make it like this. Now probably you don't want to make the force too big, so you want to leave the force like 30ish, I think, something like that, and boom. What you now do is take the brush, okay, same process, click this hard edge, remove that. What you want to do is do that. So now you have this, click to filters, Gaussian blur, and this one you want to increase it a bit more, right? Increase the Gaussian blur, and then go to this again, go to the hard edge, and see, okay, maybe not the hard edge, but like maybe see like this. Okay, so I want to have it like this, on a straight line, bam, and that's how I did it essentially. And then once you do that, you add it in here and click on fill 100% width and height and center it. And this is how I did a page. Now let me see if you want to stick with me and see exactly how I fixed this glowing button, because I kind of want to show you how I did it. So this is very simple, right? Go here, footer code. I'm gonna copy this again. Head. Right. I think it's only until style. No, it's until head. Okay. Maybe this will work. I don't know. We'll see though. We'll see. I don't want to like tell you do this and then not show you how to do it. So do that. Copy this button, this exact button. Oh, so I think, am I just dumb? Maybe it needs this and then that. Okay. Oh, and then, okay, and let's remove this. Okay, go here and remove that. So let's see if it works now. Hopefully it does. Really interesting. So for some reason it doesn't work, but yeah, that's how I did it. So this video was very long, but I hope you got the value from it, and I hope that you now know how to build a sales page. If you don't want a glow, then don't use a glow. But I did. I don't know what freak did I do. I'm gonna give you the code that I did. Maybe it's not this one. Maybe something's changed. But yeah, if you wanna like watch a video on how I did, because I had a video where I pretty much showed you how to write drug like addicting copy. If you want to watch that, then I leave the link in the description, or you can check it out here. Have a nice one, bro.